Here we are in, where are we? D-Land, Florida? Huh? D-Land, Florida? Debris. Debris, Florida, in Gemini Springs State Park. And we are here on the momentous occasion of the 50th anniversary of the Natural Trail.
Florida Trail Association.
No. It was the legislation that created the National Scenic Trail. National Scenic Trail Act. I don't know, I should really research these things and have more accurate information to give you all before I start the camera recording. But it's to celebrate 50 years of the legislation that created the National Scenic Trails, the 11 National Scenic Trails throughout our country. And we're here.
Continue on Dirksen Drive for
There's
a quarter mile.
a celebration in D-Land, Florida. There's going to be lots of vendors and speakers and workshops and everything you want to know about backpacking and camping. So we're getting out on the trail
Z-Pack,
a little bit before all that stuff starts happening, because we wanted to get in a little walk. So we're on the Gemini Springs Spring Trail, and we're just out stretching our legs before all the fun begins. Nice little camping area right here. Got a covered area open. Nice big fire ring. So we're out on a paved portion of the trail. Evidently we managed to find our way off the trail once again quite early. And once we found the paved trail, we were like, oh, I don't think this is it. But we used the camping or the hiking project app to quickly determine that, oh, we are now back on trail. We had been off trail before, so.
We're notorious for that.
So I'm not sure if this whole trail we're supposed to be hiking today is, oh, there's the sun. Let's see if we can fix that. Oh my, there we go. Not sure if this trail we're supposed to be hiking today is all paved or not. Be a little disappointed if it is, but we'll still have a good time and say hi to some bikers, get a little exercise in, get in shape.
For the big one.
For the big one. And now back to more typical Florida hiking, out in the complete open. Bunches of trees over there we could be hiking under. Bunch of trees over there we could be hiking under. But we have the trail right between the trees.
On the other side, it'll be...
So these are my wife's Columbia pants that zip off and everything.
Yes, they're very nice. They're breathable.
And everything.
And yes.
I always wonder when somebody says, I've tried this and everything. Or I've done that and everything.
What is
I come from an IT background where I help people with their technological problems. And when they call me out and they try to tell me what they've done to fix the problem that they've called me to resolve, I've turned it off and everything. So it just struck me as very humorous when my wife told me the pants zip off and everything.
They're soft to the touch, and they're UPF 3.
This is the everything, plus. I guess.
30 plus. That's the everything part.
That's the everything.
Yes. Won't get sunburned.
And you can put them on, you can wear them You can take them off.
And they just got wet and now they're dry.
Everything.